Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog!
Hello! For today's video, so fishing ulit tayo. Tignan natin kung makakahuli ulit tayo ng monster fish. And
Yes!
for now, magkakas muna tayo guys. So,
Ano bang nagkakas?
Yes.
Layo? Libre! Agad natin. Okay! Congrats! Okay! Dito muna tayo. Andyan po tayo sa... Pwede na, pwede.
I'm unstoppable. I'm a Porsche with no brakes. I'm invincible. Yeah, I win every single game. Mine's so powerful. I don't need batteries to play. I'm so confident. Yeah, I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today.
Nakahuli na po ng isa sa medyo malaking isda. Yes,
Not zero, not
congratulations! At malaki po siya!